Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. As we all know by now, I am really trying to use up my stash a lot this year and keep my purchasing and hauls to a minimum, which is still definitely happening. But I did want to share with you guys the things that I have purchased so far this year as far as crafty things. So let's go ahead and let me show you what I have picked up. So I bought these foil shred things to package up some Valentine's Day Happy Mail. As you can see, I still have a lot left and we'll be using these up at some point. I had also purchased a bag of the decorative shred from the Dollar Tree. This is used up. I did show it in my empties. I love the Dollar Tree's paper shreddies. They're like so perfect. They're really great quality and I love that they're only $1. And then also from the Dollar Tree that I have used up were some heart picks. So they were like little wands with these red glittery fringy bits on them. I don't know, but I have used them up. Next from the Dollar Tree, I found this really fun organizer. Again, it was only $1. I thought it would be really fun to separate like ephemera in or different colors of washi or something. So I thought this was really great for some organizing purposes. Also at the Dollar Tree, I picked up some of these, what are these, like envelope things? I thought they were really great. They're almost 13 inches across and about 9.5 inches tall. So you can't fit like a full 12 by 12 piece of paper in here, but I thought these would be really great for organizing like my scrap papers or small projects that I want to set aside for a bit so I could put all the supplies and stuff in here. And I thought that was really cool. So they do have a zip top. They're pretty thick plastic, which is nice. Again, they were only $1 each, so I am curious to see how well they hold up. And then the bottom and sides do expand a bit, so that's pretty cool. So I'm really excited about these. And then the actual kind of splurgy type crafty thing that I picked up were some of these Crepe Paper Heart Day puffy stickers. I fell in love with using these, you guys, throughout January and February for all my Galentine's crafting, and I was so sad that I like ran out. So scrapbook.com had a few left, so I went ahead and just grabbed them. I am going to set aside, you know, a few packs to share in Happy Mail and with friends and stuff, but I definitely wanted to have a few for myself because you can use these throughout the year, right? I mean, the colors are pretty generic pinks and they're just super cute. So I'm really excited to have some of these because I was so super sad that I ran out and I couldn't find them online anywhere. So when I saw them on scrapbook.com, I totally got them. They were on sale for like $3.50 a piece or $3 a piece. I can't remember, but I am so super excited to have them. I'm so thrilled because they're so super cute. So those were all the crafty things that I purchased in January, and I guess it's like mid-February right now when I'm filming this. So I feel like I've done pretty good. So let's just keep on going, using up the stash, keeping the purchases to a minimum. Yeah, and that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not seen any of my crafty stash videos, I will leave a link down below to the playlist, as well as a playlist to my empties if you're into that. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!